Now we have YN2, Pacific National Operated Freight Service that's been diverted through here from Broken Hill due to the flooding in New South Wales, passing over the bridge. I'm going to be quiet now so you can enjoy it passing by. They don't normally have containers on YN2. Like I said before, it's a steel train from Whyalla heading to New South Wales that's been diverted through here due to the flooding in Broken Hill. The Broken Hill line is currently closed. There it goes. Three NR class locomotives by the look of it. Sorry if you're having trouble hearing my voice, I'm just wearing a face mask because there are people in the area. I heard the Broken Hill line won't be open until early next year. Could possibly stay closed until February of next year due to the severe flooding. That was one.